Hey there! With love from ArtApli. Today, I want to show you how we embroider these cute little cowboy boot and hat keychains with our machine. Some of you still have questions, and I'm here to clear them up for you. It's really easy and such an exciting process. For the embroidery, I use faux leather, but you can use real leather or even embroidery vinyl. Just make sure your fabric doesn't get too perforated by the needle, because we'll be adding some fringe, and there will be tiny holes left behind. But don't worry about that. First off, these holes tend to close up over time, or you can use a bit of steam, which helps the fabric tighten up as it slightly melts. Worst case scenario, just grab a piece of fabric, poke it with a needle, and you'll see the result for yourself. First, we'll start with the boots. Once we've embroidered the boots, we'll flip the hoop over, cut the fringe using sharp, small scissors to trim the bobbin's stitches. Remove any loose threads that are sticking out, and then attach the backing to the underside of the embroidery hoop. Make sure to secure it with tape so it stays in place, because we'll be flipping the hoop back over and putting it back in the machine. Next, I work on the hat. The process is the same. We hoop our faux leather, embroider the elements, and then embroider the long satin stitches that will become the fringe. Before the final stitch, when the backing is supposed to be attached, we stop the machine, flip the embroidery hoop, carefully cut the bobbin thread, and remove all the threads to make fringing easier. Make sure to clean up all the threads. Attach the backing, taping it down on all sides, and do the final stitch around the hat. The most enjoyable part is, of course, creating the fringe. This is when your piece comes to life. There are many other interesting designs available in the shop. I invite you to check them out, and please, feel free to share your ideas. I'd love to hear from you.